Hi, I'm Dawn. This is Hudson Vintage. Today we are doing the fantasy jewelry jar unjarring. Like every good YouTube viewer, I enjoy a good jewelry jar unjarring video, and I thought it would be fun to make the fantasy video, the over-the-top extreme jewelry jar unjarring that we all dream about. This will be the top unjarring video on YouTube to date, and here it is, nicely taped up, looks legit. So let's have a good close look. In the tradition of jewelry jar unjarrings, what's in here? Let's see, what gives it away? Could it be that? Maybe that. Maybe these golden pearls. So let's cut it open. Stay tuned, scissor shot coming up. Okay, here we have it. Look at that. Look. Ooh, that looks good. I wonder what that is. And then we have that. That looks like golden pearls right there. I wonder what that ring is. That looks interesting. And then we have, everything. It looks like it was bagged pretty nice. Look at that. Look at that. Some kind of gemstone thing. Turquoise. Ooh, look at that. Okay, this looks really promising, doesn't it? Let's cut it open. Ooh, who put that there? Evidence. Okay, let's cut that tape. Oops, something stuck to it. Okay, let's dump it. Ooh, looks promising, doesn't it? Wow. Okay. Better make some space here. Oh, I should show you my rings first. Okay, so, and I want to say thank you everybody for tuning in. Check the links below. We have emerald. That's a good Colombian emerald. That's a Victorian ruby. That's a little Victorian. This I inherited from my mom. This is a pink sapphire and rose gold. And this, that looks promising. Luckily, I have my cleaner here and my diamond tester. Let's have a look. Oh, that's very pretty, isn't it? Looks like a yellow diamond. It does look like it needs to be cleaned. I'll clean that up a little later, and then you can have a look at it when it's fresh. But let's test it. All right, let's see if this ring is actually a diamond that came out of this jar. Wow, that's good right there. It's probably, I don't know, an $8,000 ring, 6,000, 8,000, something like that. Very pretty. Let's see what else came out of this jar. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, that looks nice. That's an earring. Wow, turquoise. And it's signed. Yeah, wow, Native American. Beautiful. I wonder if there's another one. I love the size of it too. Oh, look at this. Wow, that's one of those vintage Gucci watches with the interchangeable bezels. And this has that diamond bezel. Wow, that's the best bezel they ever made for these watches. That's super nice. What do we have here? South Sea, ooh, golden South Sea pearls. Wow, those are beautiful. Those have got to be like 13 millimeters at least. Those are lovely. Okay. Oh, this is the other earring. So we have a pair. Look at how big these are. These are really special, huh? What else is in here? Oh, wow, this still has the tag. What does that say? Can you read that? Pink sapphire, rose gold. Let's have a look. Oh, what a beautiful pendant. Look at that. It just happens to match my ring. Wow. Oh, this looks big. Can't get it out. It's so big I can't get it out of the bag. Ooh, look at that. That's a very large emerald cut ametrine. Looks like gold. Let's see if it's signed anywhere. Oh yeah. Wow. It's a beautiful ring, huh? Natural ametrine. I pulled a ring tray out so I could put the rings on it. Okay, so that's the ametrine. What else is here? What's this? Jose Maria Barrera Lifestyle Collection. Avon. Who put that in there? I'm never buying a jewelry jar from these people again. Let's have a look. Ooh, these do look like good ones, though. Oh, yeah, these are the good ones from Avon. These Jose Maria Barrera. Those are beautiful, aren't they? Yeah, those are definitely collectible. Okay, I take it back about what I said about the jewelry jar. What's this? Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that's a beautiful ring. I'd say that that was maybe a 13 karat kunzite with pink sapphires, pink diamonds, and amethyst pear shapes. Or no, those are regular diamonds in rose gold and pink sapphires with kunzite. Gorgeous, huh? That's quite a cocktail ring. Okay, let's put that in the holder. Time to dump out some more. Okay. What's this one? This looks good. Oh, these are pretty. Look at these. These look like real Akoya Ocean pearls with the golden tint. There's a clasp. Oh yeah, these are lovely. Let's have a look at that clasp. Gorgeous. Long strand golden pearls, Akoya. Let's see what, ooh, look at this, another ring. Wow, this jewelry jar has so many rings. Another big one too. Big honking cocktail ring. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. This is a big fancy cut mystic topaz. Look at that. That's pretty. Little diamonds on the side. Wow, that's a big ring. What a beautiful ring. Yeah. Okay, we'll put this in with the ring holder. Over here. What else is in here? Oh, this is nice. Ooh, look at that. That looks like baguette diamonds, doesn't it? Let's check the clasp. Ooh, look at that sparkle. There we are. Looks like very pretty. Lovely bracelet. Let's check it for diamonds. All right, she's ready. Let's have a look. It's hitting the middle. I need to hold it still. Diamond. That's quite a thing to pull out of a jewelry jar, isn't it? Wow. Ooh, what's this? This is big. Looks like a hair clip. Wow, cool. A cool hair clip. That's nice. Is it marked anywhere? This must be a luxury item. I don't see a hallmark. Does look like silver. What a dream. Oh, I think I found it. There it is right there. That's pretty cool. What's this one? Oh my. This looks like a $10,000 bracelet or more. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a double diamond line bracelet, tennis bracelet with papyrus sapphires and tanzanite and tsavorite garnets. Wow, look at that. Those are some very rare gemstones. Look how pretty it is. It almost doesn't look real. Let's check the signature or the hallmark. I love the clasp, this kind of interesting push-in clasp. That's cool. Let's have a look. There it is right there. Can you see that? It's pretty exciting. Look at the quality of these gemstones. That is so beautiful. Tanzanite, papyrus sapphire, tsavorite garnet, 2 lines of diamonds, pave set, 14 karat gold. That's a pretty bracelet. Let's put it next to this bracelet. Okay. Did we dump all that? Yes. Okay, so let's dump out the rest of what's in here. Just dump it out. It is a jewelry jar. You gotta dump the jar. Okay. So let's see, what's this? Oh, these look good. These look just like the earrings I inherited from my mom. Oh, these are beautiful. Little pave diamond huggies. Let's take the other one out. Oh yeah, these are nice. I like those. They're very pretty. The mark's really tiny. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is right there. Gosh, these are pretty. Let's put those on the on this. I don't want them to get messed up. What else is in here? What's this? Ooh, looks like pearl earrings. Well, these are nice. White and black pearls. You know, so you could wear like one black and white or both black. I love that look. Oprah used to do that. Those are pretty. Put those there. So what do we have so far? We have these gorgeous big turquoise earrings. We have this long strand of Sequoia pearls with the golden tint, or what's it called? The golden hue, the slightly golden color. Very desirable. We have the South Sea golden pearls, these big ones. We have the sterling silver hair clip, the Gucci bangle watch with the diamond cut bezel. We have, not to be outdone, this baguette diamond bracelet and this tennis bracelet, this double tennis bracelet. Diamonds tanzanite, savarite garnet, and paparaja sapphire. That's beautiful. That's a winner right there. Let's get a good shot of that for the thumbnail. Best jewelry jar on YouTube ever. And what else is in here? What's this one? Oh, that looks nice. Oh, that's pretty. Indigo light and diamond. And those are rose cut diamonds probably. Let's test them. Yep, diamonds. What a beautiful ring. Wow, this is a lovely ring to come out of this jar, huh? Look how pretty that is. Let's put it with the other rings. What's this? This looks interesting. Wow, that doesn't even look real. Look how pretty that is. I love this chain. Wow, they don't make chains like this anymore. Let's see if it's marked. I don't see a clasp anywhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. What does it say? Let's see. Wow. Nice. What a beautiful chain. And then this is pretty, this briolette amethyst. Wow, that's marked too. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's an enhancer. See, it flips up so you can put it on pearls. That's a gorgeous necklace. You don't see anything like that every day. Wow, it's heavy too. Let's put that down. And then what else is in here? Oh, it looks like there's only 3 things left, guys. Just 2 rings and this. What is this? Oh, look at this. This looks like old deco. Oh yeah, look at that. That's an old deco. That looks like the sign of Virgo. That's beautiful. Oh, it was a fur clip, and the clasp has been added to secure it. Wow, that's really beautiful. Don't see something like that every day. Let's put that down. And then, oh, right, we showed this ring already. So I'll put this ring with the other rings. And this is it. This is the last one. Let's open it up. Oh my God, look at that. That looks like a 2-carat diamond engagement ring. Doesn't it look beautiful? I guess that means I'm engaged, guys. Congratulate me. It's my birthday month, coming up any day now, and I'm engaged. Thank you so much for watching. Click like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time.